Science proved that the Earth is round. Did you see an issue with that? Well, maybe not at first glance. I bet several of you are esteemed students and know a great deal of science. However, many of you probably do not understand the full definition of science. I don't blame you. Many professors skip the definition of science and instead jump right into technical terminology, which leaves students at a disadvantage in understanding the philosophy behind science as well as the basic scientific method. Thankfully, awareness of a more holistic approach to understanding science has begun increasing in popularity, and many undergraduate science courses begin to incorporate this definition into their curriculum. Let's begin. Science is an epistemology, and epistemology is, to put simply, a way of knowing. Epistemologies help us know and understand new phenomena. In the context of science, there are a few key differences within the epistemological framework. Science is empirical, rational, and provisional. What do these terms mean? We mean science is empirical because it is based upon observation. We say it is rational because we can apply established consensus to new observation to attempt to form viable hypotheses about them. We say it is provisional or falsifiable because science is an open logical system, meaning it is open to change, unlike a closed logical system like mathematics, which instead relies on several rigorous proofs, axioms, and assumptions that are highly rigid. For example, the sine of theta is always equal to the reciprocal of cosecant of theta because we can prove it works within a mathematical equation. Science is open to change because scientists understand that we are limited by our equipment in understanding natural phenomena, so it is not out of the question that our theories will change. Science does make several assumptions, but we attempt to make as few as possible because more assumptions could introduce more confounding factors that could obfuscate our understanding. This is an important concept known as parsimony. So what's wrong with the initial question? Well, to put simply, science does not prove anything. We rather formulate hypotheses to attempt to disprove a phenomenon within your unit of analysis. It is better to instead say, through the extensive observation, experimentation, reproduction, and creation of theoretical paradigms, the consensus of the scientific community failed to disprove the round Earth model, so the round Earth model is consistent beyond reasonable doubt.